Students can earn money using mobile devices through various methods that leverage their skills and interests. One popular option is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow students to offer services such as graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing. They can create profiles, showcase their skills, and bid on projects that match their expertise. This not only helps them earn money, but also builds their professional experience. Another way is participating in online surveys and market research. Several apps and websites pay users for sharing their opinions and completing surveys. Students can sign up for these platforms and earn cash or gift cards in their spare time. Additionally, students can explore affiliate marketing. They can promote products or services through their mobile devices and earn a commission for every sale made through their referral links. Social media and blogging are effective channels for this type of marketing. Furthermore, mobile gaming can be turned into a profitable venture. Some mobile games offer in-game currency or items that can be sold for real money. Skilled gamers can also participate in esports tournaments and win cash prizes. Mobile photography and content creation are also viable options. Students can use their smartphones to capture high-quality photos and videos and sell them on stock photo websites or social media. They can also create content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, which can generate ad revenue and sponsorships when they gain a substantial following. Lastly, students can explore e-commerce by starting their online stores or dropshipping businesses. Mobile apps make it easy to manage product listings, communicate with customers, and track sales. In conclusion, mobile devices offer numerous opportunities for students to earn money. Whether through freelancing, online surveys, affiliate marketing, gaming, content creation, or e-commerce, students can leverage their skills and interests to generate income and gain valuable experience in the digital age.